Introducing the Ford WD Earth Hauler 797F, a radio-controlled dump truck that's ready to tackle any terrain, no matter how rough and bumpy. With a scale of 1 to 14, this mini beast stands at a mighty 22 inches tall and a whopping 27 inches wide, making it the tallest and widest toy you've ever seen. But wait, there's more. The Earth Hauler 797F is equipped with a ground clearance of 3.74 inches, so it can conquer the steepest climbs and navigate around even the tiniest obstacles like a boss. And with a 22 milliampere hour battery, you'll have up to 35 minutes of playtime to cause some serious destruction. Now, for the cherry on top, the 797F is one of the most expensive toys in its category, costing a cool $4,000. So, get ready to make some memories and dig, dump, and conquer with the 4WD Earth Hauler 797F. Are you tired of playing with boring toys that just sit there and collect dust? Well, buckle up, because this 1967 Chevrolet C10 pickup truck toy by American company Traxxas is here to shake things up. This 1-10 replica is sure to turn heads, not just because of its classic Chevy C10 design, but also because of its powerhouse performance. The Magnum 272R Series Pro gearbox is engineered for torque and power overload, while the high-speed Valinian propulsion system keeps you flying down the track. And don't worry about breaking this beauty. The structure is reinforced for added durability, and the molded high-density foam inserts provide increased traction for precision handling. Plus, with the added bonus of drag mode and trans brake ride modes, you'll feel like a real dragster in no time. For just $500, you can have the speed, power, and style that will make all your friends jealous. Are you ready for some high-flying fun? Meet the E-flite F-16 Falcon 80mm EDF jet, the smartest, most realistic, and nimble toy airplane around. It's got all the bells and whistles, from LED navigation lights to full flying stabs, sequenced gear doors, and even a scale-like retractable landing gear. And the best part? It's made of durable EPO material and can be assembled without glue, so you'll be up in the air in no time. With its stunning extra-scale details, including molded-in panel lines, simulated antennas, and sensors, this RC plane will have you feeling like a real fighter pilot. The brushless engine provides better performance and longer flight times than other models, and even has special fans to imitate engine sounds. And the cherry on top is that you can get all of this awesomeness for just $500. Ladies and gentlemen, hold on to your hats and wallets, because Hanwang just changed the game with the release of their latest creation, the Go-Go Bird. This little guy is no ordinary bird. Oh no, he's a smart bionic flapping wing robot that has been blessed with cutting-edge technology, AI, and a whole lot of innovation. Think of it as a flying toy that's controlled by a remote and can soar to new heights, reaching up to 96 feet away from its operator. But here's the kicker. Not only is this bird a flying machine, but it also has a fancy set of sensors that'll keep it on course. So, if you've got $200 to spare, you can take flight and let your imagination soar with the Go-Go Bird. It's the perfect plaything for kids and big kids alike. Introducing the Shelby Destroyer, the foam disc blasting machine of your dreams. This baby can fire a whopping 6 discs per second and carry an impressive 120 foam discs, ready for battle at any moment. Say goodbye to the hassle of jams, misses, and constantly reloading. Hello, Shelby Destroyer. With the power of semi and fully automatic modes, you'll have all your enemies quaking in their boots. The removable, rechargeable lithium battery means you'll never have to stop the action to replace dead batteries. And the external charging base keeps you ready for the next battle. And don't worry about friendly fire. The Shelby Destroyer comes with color-coded LED lights, so you'll always know who's on your team and who you can blast to kingdom come. The Shelby Destroyer is the champion of foam disc blasters, guaranteed to bring maximum fun and excitement to any battle. Say hello to the Hogs Supernova. With this gravity-defying orb, you'll be the master of the skies, without the need for any remote control or touching. Just use your hands. The Hogs Supernova is a genius in its own right, equipped with an intelligent onboard system, motion-sensitive lights, and sensors that respond to every movement you make. Toss it in the air and watch it levitate, waiting for your command. And that's just the beginning. You'll be amazed at the 30 moves and 9 super tricks you can master with this indoor drone. From simple to complex, the Hogs Supernova will keep you entertained for hours. The best part is that you don't need any setup or batteries. The rechargeable battery is charged via USB, so you can play as soon as you get it. The Hogs Supernova is made of plastic and metal with a thin plastic cage that protects both the blades and you from harm. The collision avoidance and stable flight technology make this toy both safe and fun to play with. Introducing the 1.8 OUTCAST 6S BLX4WD Extreme Bash Stunt Truck. This bad boy has been given the Extreme Bash treatment by ARRMA's engineers and is now stronger than ever. This stunt truck comes ready to run with a powerful brushless power system and a radio for precise control. Get ready to perform epic stunts like backflips, wheelies, and jumps, reaching speeds of 60+ miles per hour. With multi-terrain tires and a high downforce wing, you'll have no problem conquering any off-road terrain. Plus, the optional Spectrum Dashboard app lets you view top speed, battery voltage, and other important data in real time. But be warned, the OUTCAST Trademark 6S BLX Extreme Bash Stunt Truck isn't just a toy, it's a monster waiting to be unleashed. This bad boy packs a punch and is ready to take on any challenge you throw its way. Ready for a wild ride? Buckle up and cruise on land or take the plunge and bring your adventure to the water. With the Brookstone Rover Land and Sea, you'll be the talk of the town or the beach. This bad boy can drive on any surface you throw its way, whether it's grass, asphalt, or even water. And the best part is that it has a built-in camera that rotates 90 degrees and streams all the action to your device in real time. With the app, you're in the driver's seat, or should we say, cockpit. Control the camera, speed, lights, and more. Whether you're a thrill seeker or just love to play, this versatile tool is sure to be a hit. So go ahead, give the gift of adventure. Your friends and family will thank you.